Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can move photos and videos to memory card on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. While you can do that with the Gallery app, I don't think it is user-friendly. Instead, it is, in my opinion, better to download the Files by Google app or the Google Files app if you don't have one yet on your device, and then use that app for this action. So I'm gonna go to the Play Store, and first I'm gonna download the Google Files, which is this one. And it is really good in order to move things around, definitely better than the Gallery made by Samsung. So let's wait a couple of seconds to let the app be downloaded and installed on the device, and once it is done, then of course you want to open it. So let's do that. Let's open. Now over here we need to press continue and then allow if we do that for the first time. Here we go. Now we can select the category. Let's say I want to move an image to the memory card, so I'm gonna go to images. Over here at the top you can choose between different folders, and let's say over here I have this photo that I want to move to my SD card, and what I need to do is simply tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then select move to, and then choose SD card. Over here you can choose to which folder you want to move, so let's say I'm gonna choose pictures and then move here in the bottom, at the bottom of the screen, and there you go, file moved. Now in this app you can see which files are actually stored already on memory card by looking at the image or icon next to the size of the image. So if you have this icon of a memory card, then it means that obviously it belongs, or actually it is located already in the memory card, whereas the other pictures like over here, they are not. They are stored on the device's storage. And if you want to move multiple, then of course you can just press and hold in order to start selecting, and in this mode you can just keep pressing to select multiple, and then once again go to the top right corner and choose move to, and you have the same story once again. So go to SD card and proceed with the same instructions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.